Canada's economy is made up of four major sectors: the primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary sectors. Each one plays a different role in turning raw materials into finished products and services. To understand how these sectors work together, we'll follow a single raw resource, a tree, as it moves through each stage of the economy, from being harvested to becoming a product that people use every day. Brought to you by Super Simple Sheets. From coast to coast, worksheets that work. Discover the full range of what we offer at supersimplesheets.com. Step 1. The primary sector, extracting natural resources. The primary sector is where everything begins. This sector includes industries that gather or extract raw materials directly from nature, such as farming, fishing, mining, and forestry. In our example, a tree is cut down in a forest by a logging company. The workers use chainsaws and machinery to harvest the trees, and large trucks transport the logs to a sawmill. At this stage, the tree is still in its raw form. It hasn't been changed into anything useful yet. Step 2. The secondary sector, manufacturing and production. Once the tree is harvested, it moves to the secondary sector, where raw materials are processed into products. This sector includes factories, construction companies, and industries that make goods. The logs from the forest are sent to a sawmill where they are cut into planks of wood. Some of the wood may be sent to a furniture factory to be turned into tables and chairs, while other pieces might be used to build houses or create paper. At this stage, the tree is no longer just raw material. It has been transformed into something useful. Step 3. The tertiary sector, selling and services. After the wood has been processed into furniture, paper, or building materials, it enters the tertiary sector. This sector includes businesses that sell goods and provide services to customers. The furniture made from our tree is shipped to a store where people can buy it for their homes. The paper made from the tree is sold in office supply stores or used in schools. At this point, the product is in the hands of consumers, but the economy doesn't stop here. Step 4. The quaternary sector, research and innovation. The quaternary sector is focused on information, research, and technology. It includes industries such as science, education, and software development. In our example, scientists might study how to grow trees faster or how to make paper in a way that produces less waste. Researchers might create new types of eco-friendly furniture made from recycled wood. This sector helps improve efficiency, create new ideas, and make better use of resources in the future. Quick quiz. Which economic sector? Number 1. A barber cuts and styles hair. Which sector do they work in? If you said tertiary, then you are correct. Barbers provide a service which is part of the tertiary sector. Number 2. A scientist studies new ways to make solar panels more efficient. Which sector is this? If you said quaternary, you got it. Scientists focus on research and innovation, which is part of the quaternary sector. Number 3. A farmer grows wheat and sells it to a grain company. Which sector does this belong to? If you answered primary, that's correct. Farming involves harvesting natural resources, making it part of the primary sector. Number 4. A factory makes smartphones using raw materials. What sector is involved here? If you said secondary, you're right. Manufacturing and production are part of the secondary sector. Number 5. A grocery store sells fruits, vegetables, and other food products to customers. Which sector is this? If you said tertiary, great job. Selling goods to consumers is part of the tertiary sector. Number 6. A software developer designs a new app for people to track their fitness. What sector does this fall under? If you answered quaternary, that's correct. Software development involves research and technology, which belong in the quaternary sector. Number 7. A construction worker builds houses using wood and bricks. Which sector do they work in? If you said secondary, you nailed it. Construction is part of the secondary sector because it involves making buildings and structures. Number 8. A tour guide takes visitors on sightseeing trips in a national park. Which sector is this? If you said tertiary, you got it. Tourism is a service industry, making it part of the tertiary sector. Would you like to try another one? Think of a job and see if you can place it in the right economic sector. Thanks for watching. Simplify your teaching journey with super simple sheets. Across Canada, we're known for our ready-to-use, curriculum-aligned worksheets. Dive into our educational solutions at supersimplesheets.com. Super Simple Sheets. From coast to coast, worksheets that work.